Connecting your Vantage account to TradingView is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. First, open TradingView and go to any chart, then scroll down to the trading panel and click See All Brokers. If you don't see Vantage right away, just press Control F and type Vantage to find it quickly. Click the Vantage logo, then enter your login credentials. Make sure your Vantage account is compatible with TradingView, otherwise, it won't connect. Once you log in and authorize access, your account is linked, and you can place trades, manage orders, and monitor positions directly from TradingView's charts. If it still doesn't show up, double click your account type or reach out to Vantage support. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.